Mame Mao Akwaba Efa Umbra Ghana Sem TV GH Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification and so that anytime you post a video bit say we are Usambeke bi. Ebusian for no crese. Adia see 2024 election mono. Embebre pesa utiasia untimitiasia. There are a lot of things that happen there. About decision na gonna for make here. Ujuwa. I say something is not right somewhere. Because ultimately bisa who say ebana say na nkrofo aban ayewo ho. MPP aban. Duane school fees, nyama nyina registration fees, nyina na aban no tua mam. Mo nkrofo mo yare dialysis, nyama nyina aban tua mam. To even some of the things one would really have imagined, Anka. These are the things that we were hearing. So Gaddafi in Libya and other places, Sana, Abaye and all those things. And for the first time, Ghana, and then you have the chance, any opportunity, say muko to abana, na about to na go back the way I call Now it left a lot of unanswered questions. In fact, MPP as a party, I attempt to say, Anka ombe find what was the root cause. Some of them, yetiminya underlying causes no. But na you see Nyakupon ye bibia wo nimre so nimre mo. Ene bibi kosu wo Madina Mpotemo. Land Kwantanai Madina municipality. Demolition because now demolition na ekoso no you see asori dan bi afena musie edan no ewo waterway enti assembly for bubu dan no na omukoso bubu dan na nipa oye sofo no ewo sa sorry mu no start confess na ni confession mu no o see oye NDC ni osofo no o see oye NDC ni na asiedu nketia enem onu osofo no na asiedu nketia chairman of NDC no esanem se onu osofo okasa no wa sacrifices bi akwankyere bi ema NDC na enam sa akwankyere no so na enne ye ka party in power NDC na akwankyere ni den osofo no ka se onu nkwa no ode ne sika ato nantwe cow maku 32 cows esiomu akun nantwe no esiomu 32 cows onu nkwa edi aboa NDC se abato kana fo be koso mukoto no NDC be wini ebusianfo sekoba se asemwe osofo yi ebina no kai nukrea. And in Ghana we have a long way to go. If we have this kind of political so-called men of God they will not stop at anything. Or they don't even care about integrity. They don't care about the progress of this country. They don't care about posterity. They don't care about the poor. That will be willing. Munimpa se NDC aban enya aban Ghana. But still, And I'm parochial interest anti. They go to all length and breadth to ensure say ne mama be your mampenia. It's sad. Let's go and listen to Sofona Kasa. Ibi ambeka se michandro.
Anna, me de poa. Me community general mosquito. Sa o hwe me. No.
Sir John can also fear delegates. Sir John can you get why in fact a shock. Now Mudia and Americano, yeah, shine him, yeah, shine him. Because a cat, grow, Bema, Yakumati. Can Japan can home, me can say, Brana, you know, can't some man, my wife, or she told us, Madam, you appear, I'm saying, Kobe, you don't yami, you yamu two, which you for. Yamu two, bro, or Nigerian Gunsa, upon a human nipa yena, can Japan. Yes, I need Piraho. And I just ya ono konya 23 ya oyedi but say no ona se wontimi ya nya NDC for na omo de wo yom be pound sisi a ba na say democracy no eye adwuma wom but we ya ho hwenyi ya nya na hwe de awurade be but say de obia emfa na Japan asemonya asem me ka kire mu ibi NDC for no kra no emfa na asemonya asem e bia NDC wagye contract nyina e na for the team na opeso ye bibi kakra na mahama ese obi a okodidi mahama tem no asa akopa na chew onye me papa na kan o say you look before you leap sabio the voice here obi a obetunu na wanhwe na onye intelligent me o epanyi me ntimi kan jeze na binisa akra na osi ba bi o tihwe I said panyi de I say look before you leap ah obi a obedi atanu apa che obi a me ka jero say so onye ko nsani ana sabio na dwunisa
Abotre, me da say Uncle Correct One TV.
Yam come away. Your bumpire section Ghana for come with flying colors. They wish you all the best. Okay. Good night. Good night.
Ebusha for reaction from Uncle Marcus. Mail, kindly let me anytime you come on the live, eh?
Yeah.
Uncle Marcus,
Boys, I think my time is almost up, so I will be quick and then I will get down. But my brother, the whole issue is that politics, it has its own rules and regulations.
Yeah.
Voice, I don't know, on your grow, if you have sat in a strategy class, Michael Howard will tell you that what we teach here is the principle of governing a state. We don't teach biblical principles here. Intino, Wonjano, that is not politics. Intino, say you're serious as a political party. That is why, and I told you that political parties have strategies. They even have whips.
Yeah.
To whip people in line so that you won't look disintegrated in the eyes of the people.
Yeah.
Papa no kwana of the party no fadun. The party must be bold to uproot him because it is becoming a blot on the conscience of the party.
But don't you think if Honorable Ken goes on rampage, it is going to hurt the party a great deal?
What is it going to do again? We have seen what haven't we seen from him? About some long kind of party what is he going to say again? But lukewarm attitude from us is what is fueling this. Our lukewarm attitude. Look, and let me tell you, I didn't know or a political bully.
Yeah.
All bullies. They will prick you first, and when you prick them, then they play victims.
Yeah.
If a party leader or matching with the same energy he's using, he will begin to play victim because or a bully. He expects to bully people, and then he wants everybody to keep quiet. The way I MP before, you know, one jano, no, you're dead. Guys, I am not the most sensible person in the party, but no serious party will entertain that. No serious party will entertain that. So if we want our energies and our resources to yield results, we must be unanimous in condemning or extracting him, this cancer, from this party, so that the party can heal. Na say yes yabachi jeno do wanya do oyi wonja no oye panyin nti yan kana asem politics nya panyin na wode nyansa na wode politics.
But Uncle Marcus, just occurring to me, you see, party we are at a critical point or restructuring more. And I would say, don't you think being an executive, maybe for instance, if I take the risk of trying to sanction Kennedy Japan at this point in time, he can use his money to push my opponent against me, and I might lose my position. About that.
This thing must not come from only a few people. If you are an executive, an offense has been committed. So what you do is to refer it to the appropriate neck. They will decide whether the action constitutes an infraction or not. But we don't look on. So if NEC comes out with the decision that what he has done is an infraction and therefore punishment must be meted out to him, but if we decide to renege on our responsibilities, because you don't confess, I don't know, you know, since you are sabroye, no so Obama befitting reply, are we not descending into chaos?
Yeah.
Are we not descending into chaos?
Yeah.
When your party constitution says that you must defend your party at all costs in public, the worst is that what he's even saying is a lie against the party. So where are we going? You are lying against your own party, and we are entertaining this because on no whisker. Now MPP no equality in him. He was a MPP man. Obi antum nkawasem. Iya yenyi sika na woboboy hanado. The MPP me nyi sika won for wasam enye adwuma. Is that the picture we want to paint?
Sadly.
Nti dama dia candidate Japan liye. Another party member, dama dia on obasanchinen. On the obasanchinen.
Unis kan kwa ndere the content.
The obasanchinen, the MPP dem no why. Nyi sika dia man kasa rough for party, I dem obasanchinen. You have every right to say whatever. It's not good for the image of this party. If we want to govern a country, we must be seen to be ruthless when it comes to discipline. If we cannot discipline our own, how about not the MPP, what about power? Not say one party member will be able to sanction the person.
Makes sense.
If we cannot discipline ourselves, power, Nase or GBB or party no one farmer na. He has to run rampage. Or not party boom because or PBB one farmer. I didn't hear
the modus operandi by
I didn't hear no. It will cause us bitterly, and we need to stamp it out as early as possible.
That's it.
Masumedasi.
Kindly get ginger, honey, and warm water, and take a cup in the morning, a cup in the evening for 2 days. You'll be okay with your cold.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
All right, so I need to get down.
Sure, no problem. Gab Media, your reaction. Then let me go to Dumpizet.
Me time crash or say me bia.
Okay.
Na say Marcus kan, I think say it's about time we tell this man that you know what, enough is enough. But you know one thing I like the voice. I am me then say he has started early. We have more time to deal with him, to rebrand our party, to sell out our flag bearer, to sell out our good news. Because listen, and your man we say now to get to a point and people are starting to realize the truth and the falsehood of this man. Number one, Ubeka will be bribe 800 million. Yeah, chance all the prove ni bebo and no my. Number two, they see Andre ya wasamba be here to say, oh, ko baby na man. The question is, who stopped you from going there? Who stopped you? Why didn't you tell your boss? Nanadu Dankwa Akufo-Addo appointed you as the chairman. So why didn't you go to him and then tell him? If you couldn't do that, then means that Ghana first slogan, you understand? Some kind of fallacy. And I say, only we are Ghana for
That reminds me of the fact, say, when you mention Ghana first, the base for Muslim, this no, moto.
The voice, the base will say baseless, does not exist for me. Means I don't have their time because if you listen to their ideology, and you might listen, I had a banter with two of them. I'm not going to mention the animal, but I have a banter with two of them. And they were like, oh, send you communicating the person about the base. And I'm saying, listen, I will join a third force only if says I leader no the party and my power da. So tell me, say, nipa we na yi my power da nti kona ko join it. But say nipa na yi my power da dia. Don't try to convince me because I'm not going to buy it. The voice. You will come and say, hey, me say, we have a lot of things to put to this man to prove himself. And no man ye de back to the name say unproven himself right no. Hey, and then be kwa share tight corner bia. Africa the one who bowa. Ni fie ni pakra engine indi.